Welcome to Maribeth Pig Farm, where healthy pigs grow strong and healthy. Here, every piglet is raised with care, nutritious feed, and a clean, natural environment. We take pride in raising pigs that are healthier, stronger, and ready to grow your farm success. When you buy from us, you're not just getting livestock. You're investing in quality, productivity, and trust. Order today and enjoy special offers for new customers. Let us deliver healthy pigs right to your farm. Choose Maribeth Pig Farm, where quality pigs and trusted service meet. Call us today and grow your farm with us.